evening, everybody. My name is Raj Bhatia, and today I have a beautiful batch sitting over here. And let me tell you the date of joining of this batch. It's March the 8th, 2021, and these people are beautiful. And these people are going to be narrating stories for us. So guys and girls, please put your hands together. Let me call the first narrator, one and only one, Nitesh Singh.
Hello friends, my name is Nitesh Singh. I am working over here from last 1 month. So today I am going to share one story in between you. One day, a rabbit was boasting about how fast he could run. He was laughing at the turtle for being so slow. After that, the rabbit challenged the turtle to have a race with him. Turtle accepted. The cat was being the umpire of the race, and the chief guest was the queen of the jungle. At the time, queen of the jungle is Peacock. So on the day of race, Queen Peacock arrived in the ground where the race was conducted. Cat called the competitor and explained the rules of the race. The race was conducted from Whale Ground to Vilas Mountain. Vilas Mountain has a statue of Queen Peacock. So race began the rabbit way ahead of the turtle, just like anyone thought. The rabbit got to the halfway point and couldn't see the turtle anywhere. So he decided to stop and take a short nap. All the time the turtle kept walking step by step. He never quite quit no matter how long the distance is. He just kept going. However, the rabbit slept longer than he had thought and woke up. He could not see the turtle anywhere. He went at full speed to see the finish line, but found the turtle was waiting for him. After this, Queen Peacock gave a golden peacock feather to the turtle as a prize, and rabbit realized his mistakes. Thank you. Now we start with the legendary story.
Good evening, guys. I'm Sunesh Shah, and I'm working here from the last 1 month. So I want to share one story about one piscator and his courageous behavior. So they used to live a piscator adjacent to the sea coast. He's known for his kindness behavior and his valorous and courageous nature. I've always wondered the sky is truly the limit for this man. I remember one of his glory, a moment which quantifies his intellectuality and bravery. A moment which had captured his depth of kind-heartedness. That one true moment is where this kind soul was seen saving a fish from drowning. A quest is still on road to find him, and I've never forget that piscator and his kind nature. Thank you. Thank you. Now it's Sanchit turn, and he will share his story.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Sanchit Sharma. I have been working in Healthline from last 1 month, and today I am writing a story. It's based on Amazon jungle. So my story is like, in the jungle of Amazon, there was a tall tree of mango. On the top of the tree, there was a parrot, which is pink in color, sitting on the top branch of the tree and eating the raw mango over there. On the field of the jungle, there was a kangaroo of the group of kangaroo running over the group of a kite, and like that there was many animals around there. So between that there was a sea flowing from the top of the mountain, and there was a cat who was catching a catfish over there to feed his kitten. And quite a jungle, there was a lioness who is the queen of the jungle, who is looking all over these activities and thinking why. He had the question why these activities happening in my jungle. Beside that, there was a king of the jungle, who is lion, who is running so hard to set his empire and recognizing who is the outsider and who is the enemy. There was a van full of the tourist visitor who was wiping the tears of watching such a wonderful scenario and also watching the jungle activities. Can hear so the tourists of the jungle, they can also hear the packs of the wolf who is hounding on the top of the mountain. So this was my story. Now I would like to what we call it? I would like to invite my colleague Ashish Pandey to narrate his story.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Ashish Pandey, and I will narrate a short story. So, my story starts. My friend Paul had gone to watch Kite Festival, which was organized by the king. During his train journey, he saw a man who was caught by police for stealing passengers' luggage. When he reached there, he saw many different types of kites, like dragon kite, parrot kite, etc. At the end of the day, winners were appreciated by Queen. At the time of return, it started raining, so he got late for the train. To catch train on time, he started running, and while on the way, he saw a cat who was injured, so he stopped and bought the cat at home. Then he went to market to bring good quality of food for cat. So here I would like to invite Ashish Punjabi to continue his story.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashish. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Ashish Punjabi. I'm working here since 3 weeks in HPSI, and I would like to tell you a story. I once saw a tiger in a circus who was very talented. He was in the cage. Whenever the tiger performs, his master gives him a rat as a present with his own night hands. One day at circus, suddenly police raid with the wolves. The weather outside was cold and the police found a venom snake. The venom snake was eating a vegetable. So this was the end of my story. I would like to welcome my friend Roshni Alva.
Okay, so very good evening to everyone. My name is Roshni Alva and I'm here in this office from the last 1 month. I will be narrating a story on Christmas Eve. So as I woke up in the morning, I was very excited regarding Christmas Eve, and I just took out a toothbrush, brushed my teeth, and I knew that today was party in my house. So my mother had ordered pastries, cakes, wine, rum bottles, and we were all excited. So firstly, as we woke up, we went to church. We saw that the church was fully crowded and a lot of quarreling sounds were coming. And the choir band was so nice, they sang so well, hymns and all. After the church got over, we entered our house and we saw that the rum bottle was broken and fallen into pieces by my friend. And then my mother came, she took the wiper and she was wiping the floor. And the party got over, and we were excited. We enjoyed a lot on Christmas Eve. Thank you. I would like to call my friend Siddharth Gupta to please come and join.
Good evening, guys. My name is Siddharth Gupta. I have been working in HPSI since last 1 month. I'm going to be presenting a story. So once upon a time, there was a king named Chains Jali. He has owned a new palace, and there was Ogni. The king was waiting for the Queen Maria as she has gone to her native place. The queen was coming by car, and all of a sudden the tire got punctured. It was raining heavily outside, but somehow the driver managed to fix it, and they reached the palace. Then the king and queen both cut the knot with a knife and enters the palace. After entering the palace, there was a party organized by the king and has spent quality time with all the members. So Gauravi Pawar will be continuing further. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Gauravi Pawar and I am working in HPSI since 1 month. I am going to narrate a story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Tom. He went to zoo to see tiger, kangaroo, etc. After that, when he was walking on the road, he saw a kite and a parrot flying in the sky. As he was passing by, he saw a cat and a calf was sitting beside the road. The boy ran and brought some milk in the plate to feed the cat. And he also saw a beautiful queen who was having a quill in his hand and going towards the van to take the violin. After that, she took the watch and walked away. Thank you. I would like to invite Gesha Rao.
Good evening everyone, my name is Yasha Raval. I would like to narrate a story about nature.
As I woke up, I have decided to go for a field visit. As I left from my house and reached my destination, I saw tall trees, plants, and there was peacock dancing at the roof of the trees. I saw there was a silence everywhere and it was very quiet. I saw there was a school van coming for a field visit and teacher was giving explanations about giving knowledge about trees, plants and flowers. They have watched the scenery of the forest. They saw a cat trying to catch a rat. I would like to welcome my friend Ghulam Sheikh.
Good evening everyone, my name is Ghulam Sheikh. I am working here since last month. I am sharing a small story. There is a girl who stays in Paris. She wore a clean velvet cloth. She went to a railway station and the weather quite foggy. Then the train was coming and she sat on the train like a queen and removing all her stuff from her bag, and she found a keychain and she placed it again in her bag. The next station had been arrived and she went out of the train. As she walking on the road, she saw suddenly kangaroo playing a violin. Now I invite Mr. Amaran.
Hi friends, my name is Amarkant Soni and I am working in Health Prime since last 1 month, and I am going to narrate a short story of my friend. One of my friend name is Victor, and one fine day we went for a party and over there we ordered a whiskey, and after that my friend Fred started telling his story regarding his vacation which he spent in Canada. The city name was Quebec. After a few pets, he started acting like a king and started telling that he will ride his bike and he will go to home. So I just informed him that you are drunk and you need to take a cab and go home safely. That's it from my side. I need to invite my friend Vipul Yadav.
So good evening all of you. My name is Vipul Yadav and I'm working at HPSI since 1 month. I'll like to narrate my story. It's more of a speech to be often. So it's that there's a trainer of a gym. He's giving speech to all the people who have joined recently in the gym. So he says like this: this place is known as the kingdom of physics. I'll teach you very basic techniques by which you can work well and become the king of the population present over here. You'll have to run quickly in terms of technique. You should be confident about yourself and banish all your negative thoughts. The quality of equipments over here are fantastic. You'll definitely have a great time in the gym. So that's it from mine. I'll invite my friend Vinit Sharma to narrate the story.
Good evening everyone, my name is Vinit Sharma and I'll be sharing a wonderful story with you guys. The title of the story is A Memorable Magic Day. So let's get into the story and how it began. On a pleasant day, I was walking down the street when I saw a queen watching people doing circus. I stood there and from nowhere the circus turned into a magic show. The magician made a wish and suddenly parrots appeared. I have never seen such a magic show where parrots were on rampage and they were hitting the targets perfectly. The parrots started rolling into the sky and vanished all of a sudden. In the sky, what happened? A vampire appeared. Usually, vampire scares people, but what happened? This vampire started singing karaoke. So everyone over there bursted into laughter, and I saw Queen enjoying the show. After the show came to an end, I moved home, and this is how a memorable day came to an end. So this is from my end, and I would like to invite my fellow friend Ghulam Sheikh.
everyone, my name is Kalam Sheikh and I will narrate a short story. So let's start. One fine day I went to the zoo with my family. We all traveled by bus and we reached at 8 o'clock in the morning at the zoo. As we entered the zoo, we saw many birds like parrot, peacock and many more birds. We saw many wild animals like tiger, kangaroo, vultures, walrus, wild cats and rabbits. It was an amazing day and I had a great time. So I would like to call my friend Yasin Sheikh.
Hello everyone, my name is Yasin Sheikh and I am working here since 1 month. I like to share a story of my school life. So one day I got up in the morning, I go to school, sharp 7 am my van arrived. As road were passing, I reached school. I entered my classroom, my friends were sitting and my class teacher entered. We all watched her. Teacher said, remove your books and start writing. We started writing, all were making noise. Teacher said, keep quiet. Then time passed, we played games and made lot of fun in the class. Then we had a recess, we had our lunch. I brought a cucumber in my lunch. Then after having lunch, we go back to classroom. So I like to invite my one of friend Vikas Maga.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Vikas Malla, working here since last a month. I'm here to present a story, so here how it goes. Yesterday I saw a dog sat on the table with a long tail, who was eating potato. I felt so sad, I took that potato away from it and provided the dog pedigree to eat. After that I went to the market and I bought a kilo of rice and dal and also a kidney beans. I cooked a portion of it. What I had was around 105 calories. After my meal, I attended my online tuitions where question answer and quiz session was going on. I attended both the sessions and ended up scoring high marks. As my tuition ended, I took my English book from the book rack and started reading to get my reading skills better. After completing my whole busy day, at 6 p.m. I took my vehicle and went to a ride with my dearest friend Vinny. As I was driving, Vinny fell from the bike as a car hit us from behind. He got hurt on his left wrist. Immediately, I took him to my family doctor, Dr. Vadia. Doctor examined him and informed us nothing to worry. Injury is minor. That's all from my side. I would like to call upon Rohit Pathak to continue further.
Good evening friends, my name is Rohit Pathak. I am working here for last 1 month. I am narrating a story. One day a rabbit was boasting about how fast he could run. He was laughing at the turtle for being so slow. After that, the rabbit challenged the turtle to have a race with him. The turtle accepted. The catch was to be the umpire of the race, and the chief guest was the queen of the jungle. At that time, the queen of the jungle is Peacock. So on the day of the race, Queen Peacock arrived in the ground where the race was conducted. Cat called both the competitor and explained them the rule of the race. The race was conducted from the whole ground to Viras mountain. The whole ground is very beautiful ground with a statue of the Queen Peacock. So race began. The rabbit raced way ahead of the turtle, just like everyone thought. The rabbit got to the halfway point and could not see the turtle anywhere. So he decided to stop and take a short nap. All this time, the turtle kept walking step by step. He never quit, no matter how long the distance is. He just kept going. However, the rabbit slept longer than he had thought and woke up. He could not see the turtle anywhere. He went at the full speed to the finish line but found the turtle was waiting for him. After the Queen Peacock gave a golden peacock feather to the turtle as a prize, and the rabbit realized his mistake. Thank you.
Alright viewers, so this was a small session conducted by me on story narration. I hope that you all must have liked it. Thank you very much. This is Raj Bhatia along with all my training, signing off. Thank you.